Friendship Day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Radhika Tibrewal. Since you're already here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. So this video is really gonna be very special to me because this video I'm filming it with my friends. And today is Friendship Day, so I wish you all a very happy Friendship Day. So this is the first time my friends are filming a video with me, like my YouTube video with me. So I'm really excited for it. And so we are gonna play a very fun challenge today of how well do we know each other. So without any further ado, let's just call them. Guys, here are my friends with me on video call. So you'll see them somewhere in the screen here. And now Manisha will explain you guys what we are playing today.
So hello everyone, so we have prepared few questions and let's see who knows well and let's get started.
So guys, if I could time travel, where would I go?
Like country or past, future, time travel.
Like is it specific to any country or around?
Past.
Okay.
Time travel. It's time travel.
So let's just show first in the camera, then we'll tell each other. So 1, 2, and 3.
Future.
College BBA days.
College days BBA.
Yes, it's college days BBA.
So my question is, what am I allergic to?
Food items, right?
Anything that can be anything. Yeah, food item to be precise.
Done.
I'm not sure.
Okay, done.
Can we show?
Let's see. 1, 2, and 3.
So, oh, it's brinjal. It's brinjal.
I have written tomatoes.
I have written bagan.
Right, brinjal.
Yeah.
Bagan, same thing. Why tomatoes? I eat daily tomato ka chutney, Radhika.
So my question is, what hair color would I likely get next? Do next? Hair color.
Not sure.
Same, not sure.
Let's see. It's common to something,
Yes.
some color on.
Done. Let's just show the camera. 1, 2,
3.
and 3. So I have written purple. Violet.
Same, purple.
Purple. What is it?
Pink,
Tell me.
What's
it's
the
your
color
turn.
then?
pink.
Pink.
When?
Pink.
Why? Pink.
कुछ भी.
कुछ भी.
That was totally unexpected.
Pink color. I said somewhere on my face also. I was doing this. Lipstick and it's a common color.
Okay.
So my question is, what was my name before Radhika? My first name. My parents kept before Radhika.
I'm done.
Same.
Same.
Chalo, let's show.
Anjali.
1, 2,
3.
and 3.
My God.
So
Anjali.
This is going to be very funny.
Maya.
Radha.
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 Same Radha.
Radha.
Manisha.
Radha.
Manisha.
Manisha.
मैं भी राधा.
So it was Tulika.
What?
Tulika laga.
Yes, I remember
What?
Tulika. So what would be my dream vacation place?
In world?
Yes, in world.
No, another planet.
One, 2, and 3.
South Korea or Paris?
South Korea.
South Korea.
What is it?
What is it?
South Korea.
South Korea.
What is my eye lenses power? Oh,
Done.
1, 2,
2,
and 3.
3.
seriously?
It's -1 something. -1 something.
I have written 0.7521.
Then 5 plus. It's 5 plus, Ashu. Yes.
Minus 1.25. And Radhika, there is
Minus
no in between
1.25.
7.5 to 1. Either it's 7.5 or 1.
Stop it. Get some help.
Safe play. My next question is, what is the funniest superstitious belief that I have? Like, this can vary. I have many, but at least something that I can agree with. Funny superstitious belief that I have.
I'm done.
Okay, done. 1, 2,
2,
and 3.
3.
So I have written warm water makes your stomach garam.
क्या गरम?
गरम पानी पेट को गरम करता है. एंड एक है नाइफ शुडंट बी गिवन ऑन हैंड डायरेक्टली.
सेम मैं लिखी हूँ, मैं 3 लिखी हूँ. एक है कि सीजर वाला, कि सीजर भी किसी के हाथ पे नहीं देते ऐसे ही.
नाइफ. हाँ.
तुम नहाओगे नहीं तो तुम्हें खांसी होगा, पेट गर्म हो जाएगा.
ऐसे नहीं बोली थी मैं.
फिर नाइफ अगर तुम किसी के हाथ में देते हो तो लड़ाई होता है.
Sharp things वाला.
एंड
Borulin can cure everything.
That is not a superstitious belief.
I don't know, but then with मम्मी ये आया.
It
क्या था लेकिन right answer?
वही था, नाइफ. मतलब कोई भी मतलब शार्प चीज नहीं है.
नहीं.
I'm wrong. I thought Borulin.
so my next question is, what was the color of my top I was wearing on my last YouTube video, the Myntra haul? what was the color of the top I was wearing on my last YouTube video.
Done.
Oh my god.
Done.
1, 2, and 3. So Anjali.
I have written white.
Oh, pink. Pink.
Yellow.
White is correct. Only Anjali ने मेरा अच्छे से देखा है वीडियो. White is the correct answer.
It was my hardest goodbye in life so far.
One, 2, and 3.
Goodbye to BBA days.
Convocation time, especially when we had to say goodbye to Alankrita time, like we cried, we all four cried at the same time. So I think that was the time we had the hardest goodbye.
I have written kit overall. Kit, friends and
My
Bhubaneswar.
BBA days.
मैंने भी वही.
BBA convocation.
BBA convocation.
BBA.
तीनों ही का राइट है ऑलमोस्ट. BBA convocation.
My last question is, what is my shoe size?
One, 2, and 3.
3.
It's 34 to 36.
34. 34.
34.
I don't know 34 even exists or not, but it's 35 wrong.
Okay. So my question is, what Korean dish I really want to try once?
1, 2, and 3. So it's jajangmyeon.
Jajangmyeon.
Yes, jajangmyeon. Black bean noodles.
Black bean.
So my last question is, what's my brother's nickname? मैं हमेशा उसका निकनेम से ही बोलती हूँ, कुछ भी बोलती हूँ.
Just remember, just तुम अभी बोली ना उसको वही बोलती हूँ तब याद आया.
2,
1, 2, and 3.
3.
Gannu.
So it's Gannu.
It's
Manisha
gun.
Right.
Yay.
So guys, that's it for this challenge. I hope you guys liked it. So we all wish you a very
Happy
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 Friendship
Happy
Day.
Friendship Day.
So if you like this video, don't forget to
Like.
Subscribe.
and share.
also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. That's it for this video guys. Bye.
Bye.